How to change language on YouTube. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, in order to change language on YouTube, launch the YouTube app on your device. Make sure to log in and sign into the particular account on your device. Now, tap on the U button at bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on gear icon at top right corner of the screen. On the settings page, tap General option. Now locate App Language option and tap on it. Currently, the language has been set to English. Here are some of the suggested languages and here are all the languages. You can easily scroll down and select any one according to your choice and preferences. For me, the convenient language is English, so I have selected English. You can select any one as per your convenience. So, that is how we can easily change language on YouTube. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.